Hi, I'm Chef Maria Liberati, author of the Gourmand World Award-winning book series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking. And I'm here today at Game & Design and Remodeling in Harleysville, Pennsylvania. I'm in their kitchen showroom. I'm making a crab omelet. Here's the recipe. I sauteed 2 ounces of flaked crab meat with a teaspoon of minced parsley, fresh parsley, and a half a tablespoon of butter. Sauteed that together until the crab meat absorbed the flavors of the butter and the parsley. And now I'm ready. I have my filling for my crab omelet. Now we're ready to do the actual omelet. We're going to take 2 eggs. You're going to whisk them together with a wire whisk or a fork. If you don't have a wire whisk, you can use a fork. No need to stress over cooking. It should always be fun. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. Whisk that together again. And my omelet is ready. I've let some butter melt. About a half a teaspoon of butter has melted in the pan, and you can see it got nice and white and foamy. Don't burn your butter. Be sure not to burn butter before you put your omelet in the pan. And if you're using oil, olive oil has a higher burning temperature, so it's a little bit easier to use. But either way, just don't burn the butter. Be sure to make sure that all the edges are not sticking to the pan. I have a non-stick pan here, so it is not sticking at all, and of course I use my butter. But be sure the edges are not sticking to the pan so you can pull out your omelet. Okay, now we're ready to plate the omelet. All right, my omelet's ready to be filled. Let's get our luscious crab filling. We're going to put the crab filling on one side of the omelet so we can fold it over. We'll put a lot of crab filling there. Fold over your omelet, top with some fresh parsley. And you have a crab omelet ready for a luscious breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I'm Maria Liberati, author of the Gourmand World Award-winning book series, The Basic Art of Italian Cooking, here at Game & Design and Remodeling in Harleysville, Pennsylvania. Thanks for watching.